Hi, this is Kalra, and I'd like to tell you about the amazing work that PYLP or Sanji Sikhiya is doing in Punjab. As most of you would know, Punjab used to be one of the most prosperous states of India, and their contributions to the country have been immense in the past. However, over the last couple of decades, the state has been absolutely ravaged by the menace of drugs and the impact on the youth of drug use, leading to a lot of unemployment, farmer suicides, and even a lot of cancer due to all these ills that the state and the youth have got into. PYLP is trying to make a big change at the grassroots level by actually educating the youth, by teaching them, by motivating them, by inspiring them, and working very closely with government schools, with panchayats, with the local governments to make this change so that the generation to come can once again feel the greatness of Punjab and can rebuild the state and not just flee and run away from the state and leave the state to whatever happens. So I would really request each one of you to also contribute towards PYLP. I've been associated with them for the last few years, and I've been really happy and pleased to see the efforts that this young team is making. This is my sincere request to you. Thank you.